Don't let paywalls stop your trading game. Here's how to get TradingView Premium, totally free. First up, head to the official TradingView website, click the pricing page or hit Get Started for free. Choose the premium plan and look for the Try Free for 30 days option. You'll need to enter your card details, but don't worry. Just set a reminder to cancel before the trial's up, and you won't be charged. Looking for a longer free ride? Some brokers like FXCM or Black Bull Markets team up with TradingView to offer premium for free if you meet their deposit and trading requirements. FXCM, for example, gives you premium after a $5,000 deposit. Check with your broker or browse their partner list to see if you qualify. And students, don't miss out. Ask your school if they have access through TradingView's Educational Partner Program. It never hurts to ask. Quick tip. Always sign up through official channels. No sketchy sites, no shortcuts. Keep your trading safe and smart.